Let's take a look at the next example. I have BA, and this B I have to multiply by every single variable inside of the parentheses in order to eliminate the parentheses. That's why I'm going to have BA or BC. Again, I have to eliminate the parentheses. I'm going to multiply A naught by A or A naught B naught. BA or BA is equal BA or BC. A naught times A is equal always 0, or A naught, I'm going to copy this down, B naught. So I'm going to get B, A, or BC, or A naught, B naught. You can leave your answer like it is. This is nothing else, just the sum of the products, or you can go further a little bit and you can convert BA or B naught, A naught. I just change the order of these two variables, and BA or B naught A is nothing else, just exclusive NOR gate. That's why I'm going to have B exclusive or A naught or BC. Depends what form your teacher is going to ask you to give on the test. You can answer this problem in this form or this form.